Now, Union Minister Gajendra Shekhawat slams Rajasthan Chief Minister over his remarks on love jihad. Shekhawat says love jihad is a trap. Gajendra Shekhawat says, and I quote, Congress wants to support deceit under garb of personal liberty. This is what Gajendra Shekhawat says, and he further adds, manufacturing terms, rights is Congress's prerogative. Rajasthan Chief Minister had attacked the BJP, saying that Saffron Party manufactured the term love jihad to divide the nation. And here is Gajendra Shekhawat, who hits back, saying that is the habit of the Congress. Let's take a listen. Now, Dev Ankur, in fact, joining us live for more details. Dev, Union Minister Gajendra Shekhawat now slamming Rajasthan Chief Minister over the remarks that he's made on love jihad. The Congress had said that the term itself is a manufactured term. Love jihad is a manufactured term by the BJP. Now, Gajendra Shekhawat says Congress wants to support deceit under the garb of personal liberty. And manufacturing terms as well as rights is the Congress's prerogative there, is what the BJP minister says.
Well, clearly, Nabila, there has been a lot of back and forth as far as the alleged issue of love jihad is concerned. All of this has, come up in the national, discourse of discussion as well, so to say, after the governments in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath and Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the chief ministers in these states have clearly mentioned that there will be laws that will be brought in to handle what they allege as cases of love jihad. They claim that there have been several instances, the BJP claims that there have been several instances of Muslims or people from the minority community under the garb of fake identities, trying to woo away Hindu girls or trying to harass them, trying to oppress them later on. So those are the allegations. These are the allegations that have been leveled by several senior BJP leaders, and state governments from Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh have categorically mentioned that there will be laws that will be brought in, strict laws to handle what they term as cases of love jihad. And that is why thereafter the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot, has mentioned that this is nothing but a divisive agenda by the BJP. It is trying to polarize, it is trying to divide the nation. The BJP in turn has hit back the Rajasthan state BJP chief, clearly mentioning that Rajasthan Chief Minister has lost his mental balance, that all of this is being done with an eye on vote bank politics. So clearly a lot of allegations, insinuations and accusations being leveled from both sides.
Right. Dev, thank you. Do stay with us for more details on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.